What is that mysterious ticking noise? It's never here, not over there. It's kind of catchy. Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Ron!
Snape,
Ron!
Severus
Ron
Snape.
Weasley!
Dumbledore!
Ron!
Snape,
Ron!
Severus
Ron
Snape.
Weasley!
Dumbledore!
Ron!
Hermione.
Ron!
Severus
Ron
Hermione.
Dumbledore!
Hermione.
Ron!
Hermione.
Severus
Hermione.
Dumbledore!
Harry Potter.
Hermione.
Harry Potter.
Ron!
Harry Potter.
Hermione.
Harry Potter. Yeah,
Dumbledore.
Harry Potter.
Hermione.
Harry Potter.
Hermione.
Harry Potter.
Hermione.
Harry Potter. That's me.
Snape.
Harry.
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 Dumbledore!
Hermione.
Dumbledore!
Hermione.
Harry,
Hermione.
Dumbledore!
Harry Hermione.
Harry
Hermione.
Weasley!
Singing our song all day long at Hogwarts.
I found the source of the ticking! It's a pipe bomb!
Yay! Voldemort, Voldemort, Voldemort.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
Well, wasn't that a fantastic video? Just look at my hair and my unibrow. Love it. Well, if you enjoyed this video, you can go and check out some other parodies I did. Don't they look fantastic? Yeah. And if you like it, you can go and subscribe. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up, because we love classics on YouTube. So I will see you next Friday on The Philip Green Show. Bye for now. I'm gonna go take a potions class. Bye.